What is going on, guys? Yesterday, I did a post about how I have booked 2,932 meetings in the last 12 months. Across a team of three, that's 81 meetings a month per individual. Now, today, I want to go ahead and boost that post to get it to reach more key ICP. And I'm going to go over how I'm doing it using Triggerfy to create the most hyper targeted ad audience, which will outperform any kind of ad campaign that your demand gen team is currently running. So let's have a look at it. So the first thing that I'm doing is I've identified key companies and key individuals that are most likely resonating with my ICP. So for example, we have Clay in here as a company because any kind of fit between Clay and Triggerfy is great. There's a great kind of connection and integration that we have there between the two tools. Next, what I've done is I've identified key kind of influencers or thought leaders in the space. So we've got Henry Shark, we've got Alice, Jason, Adam Robinson, Sam Jacobs, Chris Walker, and so on. All of these individuals have obviously a great kind of like thought leadership and impact in their space, but they also resonate with my kind of ICP, which is growth marketing-esque roles, RevOps as well. And what I'm doing is I'm monitoring every single social engagement that these individuals ever do, every move that they make, every person that interacts with them, everything that they do. What I then do is I'll pull all of that engagement in, and then I'll start to use AI to tag the individuals that are engaging with them and make sure that they're the relevant ICP for my ad set. So if we come into the platform, for example, we have Henry Schuck here, right? So we've got 4,300 people that have engaged with him so far. What I've then done is I've created what's called like a smart tag, and I'm tagging individuals that are relevant for my ad audience. So now we've dropped it to 42 people. So all I've got to now go do is got to go ahead and export that data and upload that into my ad audience. Likewise, I can go ahead and do the same thing. I can go ahead to Chris, and then we can start to filter down, and then we can look at, again, ad audience as well. And I can do this across kind of any profile, any company, but I want to make sure that it's relevant for me. And those are the key individuals that I've basically selected there. So the last one, let's pick on another kind of random individual here. Let's go for Jason Lemkin. So same thing. If we go click on him, we then can start to see the engagement that we're pulling, 27,000 people. Then we start to run it down and have a look at only want to reach out to the people that are going to be relevant for my ad audience. So now it's going to kind of crunch through that and make sure that they're ICP. And we've got close to 1,000 people that we'll then use. So all I'm going to go do is go ahead, export these individuals into one large CSV, upload that into my ad audience, and then basically run ads to those specific individuals that are engaging with these brands where I know my post that I did yesterday will resonate incredibly well with them. And that is how you can create a hyper-targeted ad audience.